We're gonna talk about, I just finished my 31st surgery, and as far as I could remember, all I remember is having a lot of issues in my health. And because of this reason, every surgery basically will damage your liver. And although it is necessary, we also need to take into consideration that we need to do something different for our liver, so you're not gonna have liver damage later on in life. And basically, this liver health supplement has a unique herb of milk thistle, lion root, and turmeric, which is going to support the metabolic activity and the function, and there are protection from free radicals. And if you know, a lot of cancers talk about this because we don't eat enough items with agents that are going to help towards it. It also contains silymarin, and milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric, and it is lactose free of artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, and is kosher, organic, and halal.